Lexus IS-F. We are now offering Japanese to English dash conversion. We also offer a replacement English hard drive for your IS-F stereo. All menus were in Japanese, and there were no user-accessible way to change them to English. For this head unit conversion, we offer replacement hard drive for your DIY installation. You may wish to keep your original Japanese hard drive as the backup. Hard drive is located at the back of the head unit, held in place by two screws, easy to replace. You have to dismantle the head unit yourself and replace with the hard drive provided. Maps are not included. Rear camera guidelines are not available in English version. After conversion, head unit offers selection of various settings and maintenance reminders in English. Thank you for watching.